in that cat. Pull up in that scat. Pull up in that cat. Pull up in that scat. Pull up in that cat. Pull up in that cat. Pull up in that scat. Pull up in that cat. Pull up in that scat.
Yo, what's going on YouTube? Bacon tapping back in with another video. I appreciate y'all rocking out with me for another one. In today's video, we about to hit up the Gucci store. Your boy managed to secure that Gucci North Face collab. I'm super excited about that, you guys. So I'm gonna be showing you guys the piece that I grabbed from the Gucci North Face collaboration part 2. It's November 12th right now. I was actually able to get my hands on this piece like a month early. The official release date of the Gucci North Face part 2 is December 1st. So what happened was I pre-ordered, I was sent a list from a stylist, you know, shout out to Shannon at Gucci in Bellevue. I was sent, you know, because I was super interested in this collab last year, you guys. Before I start this video, I'm just gonna say, to get this stuff in store, you pretty much have to know somebody. The one thing that I can say is make sure that wherever you're going, you're networking. Don't be scared to, you know, talk to people, tell people where you're from. You never know where you'll bump into somebody from the same place as you. So let's jump back into the video, you guys. So pretty much we were able to secure the Gucci North Face part 2. I ended up grabbing the vest. I myself thought that would be the best piece for me and just overall or the whole collection, because the coat, I feel like with a bigger coat, you can only wear a coat certain places for a certain amount of time. The vest is more versatile. You know, I just imagined a hoodie up under it as soon as I saw it, you guys. So I had to secure that piece. So that's the one I grabbed, was the Gucci North Face like bubble vest, you guys. So I'll be previewing that. There's no other videos on YouTube, which kind of had me scratching my head, because I know last season when they did it, there was, you know, a campaign, they had ads running. So I honestly don't know if there was seriously a mess up at corporate and people were able to pre-order, and then they figure once people pre-order, you know what, just let them get it and let it hit the streets that way, or if they planned on running a full campaign, because I haven't seen any videos on Gucci's Instagram. I haven't seen any videos on the North Face's Instagram. So it's kind of throwing me off. This is like one of the biggest collabs of the year. Could be like one of the biggest collabs of both brands, and there's no campaign for it up, and it's 3 weeks out, you guys. So that kind of had me scratching my head. And I also wasn't able to find the styles that were offered for me to pre-order. I couldn't find any more of the styles, like the clothing, you guys, because there's some hats. I wasn't able to find pictures of those anywhere online. So I honestly want to say that we're probably the first channel. Like, this is going to be the first look at it. So I'm even more excited about that. You know, Gucci, North Face, y'all got a friend in me always, you know what I'm saying, for letting me grab this collab. And I'm the best person to be able to preview this first for YouTube. So let's jump straight into the vlog, you guys. But I just wanted to touch base and let you guys know what this vlog was going to be. We're going to pick up the Gucci North Face collab part 2. Let's get it. And I'm not even going to lie, I'm like, it's still sneaking in, you guys. Because keep in mind, I pre-ordered this on Monday. It's now Friday of the same week. And with the mix-up being like, I basically paid for it. And they basically told me to come down like, hey, you know, there was a mix-up at corporate, and you're able to come pick up the piece this week instead of having to wait till December 1st. So not only was I mind blown that I got hit up in a text, you know what I'm saying, to be able to pre-order the Gucci North Face collab, but I was also mind blown at the fact that it came early. How sweet is that, y'all? Christmas came early for your boy. Let's get it. Typical Seattle weather. Raining. I'm about to jump in the 392. So I just jumped in the car, and now I'm about to head to the store now, but I'm just sitting here thinking it's crazy how stuff comes full circle, you know what I mean? And I'm not trying to make this a whole big thing, but I just want to say, like, you know, little stuff to some people is big stuff to other people, you know? Like, it might be something as little as, you know, my stylist texting me like, hey, do you want this style? But for me, that take me full circle, because I can sit here and remember, you know, going to the North Face store on Black Fridays, you know, trying to get the shell, you know, that's this stand for $20, you know, I get 2 of those, and I'll just wear a hoodie up under that, you know, and just straight grind it out, you know, go to work or do whatever. And it's just crazy to see like how full circle stuff comes, man, because I always was watching videos back home, LV, Supreme collabs, and you know, it's stuff I always wanted to do, but it's certain steps I had to take. Number one thing is just get out my comfort zone. So if that's anything that y'all take from this video, just make sure to always get out your comfort zone, man. Network and talk to people, because you never know what opportunities come from it, and you never know what people is on similar paths or walking the same paths as you know, trying to get to that same goal, man. So just keep that in mind. Also, I want to touch on the fact that I've been trying to upload videos on the regular, you guys, but keep in mind I got a lot going on. I record music full-time also, and I also design for the Bake One website, you guys. That's the brand. Make sure you guys head on over to the website and check out our merch. We doing the Gucci North Face review right now, but we do got our own merch, you guys, www.bakeone.shop. So go check us out. So with that being said, my schedule is full, like pretty much day to day, you guys. I'm waking up, I'm always busy when I'm waking up, whether it's with music, designs, or YouTube. I try to get videos up as often as possible, but I was trying to get them up weekly, you guys. But to make better videos, it takes a little bit more time to upload them. So if y'all see me and I don't upload for a week or two, make sure y'all watching the videos, you know, and catching up on some past videos and thinking about what I got in the works, because I always got some crazy stuff in the works. If I'm not uploading for a week or two, just keep in mind I got something crazy in the works. Got that interior lit up in the Daytona. It's a whole vibe right now. I'm getting gas right now. That Daytona, the city. All right, y'all, so I just grabbed some gas. I'm in the car now. Literally, the weather could not be worse today, but it's all good. It just sucks because the mall I'm going to is like an outdoor mall. So I'm driving right now. Y'all hear that seatbelt going off. I'm gonna buckle up and get to my destination. I'll tune in soon. All right, YouTube, so I just got down here. I got the 392 off park. Let me give her that. Y'all see it right there, man. So I'm about to head to the shops now. I'm not gonna be able to record too much when I get up here, but I'll record once I get back to the car with everything. If I can catch some shots while I'm in the store, I'm gonna try. All right, y'all, stay tuned. Like them, I'm a star. In that range, switch up to the coupe. In that coupe, and it ain't got no roof. In that AMG, just got it too. All right, YouTube, so I just secured the bag, super limited. You're not gonna see it nowhere else. Big shout out to Shannon at Gucci in Bellevue. Back in the car, I'm about to head to the house right now, you guys. I'm super excited. I can barely get words out. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I just had to take a quick second to give a big shout out to Shannon at the Gucci store at the Bravern in Bellevue, Washington. This would not have been possible without you. Like, literally, what's understood does not need to be explained, but all I gotta say is that if your stylist didn't hook you up with something like this, you need to get a new stylist. I'm not gonna lie to you. So that being said, this is probably gonna be one of the only videos that y'all see with this Gucci North Face vest on YouTube. No other YouTuber is gonna be reviewing it as soon as me. We got this early, you guys. The drop goes live on December 1st, so keep that in mind. Coming up on a piece like this, the magnitude, I don't think y'all understand. You know, this is something that was exclusive to Gucci stores only, and literally super limited. Like, some Gucci VIPs didn't even have a chance to get their hands on this. So for me to be able to get it, the only thing I can do is make sure that it's kept in the best place possible, which is my closet. And the other thing I can do is make sure to vlog it and share it with y'all, man. And I'm just really making this video. Like, what I want y'all to get out of this, man, is if you really want something, you can get it. Like, of course, I wasn't thinking like, oh, I want the Gucci North Face, you know, last week, because I just got hit up this week, you know what I'm saying? But I knew that I wanted more, you know what I mean? And I was already ready to take those risks to get more, you guys. So just keep that in mind. Whatever you want to do, you can do it. If you want to be a YouTuber, if you want to move across the country, you can do it. Whatever y'all want to do, man. So just take this video as not so much as, oh, you know, Gucci North Face review. Some people gonna take it as that, but the ones that's really rocking with me, the ones that really know how monumental this is, you guys. So I'm gonna tap back in when I get back to the crib. I'm gone. Let's pull back in the house. One of my neighbors needed to jump, so you know me, I figure I'm having a good day. Let me help out. So I'm helping her jump her car right now. All right, YouTube, so I'm giving y'all first look as I'm getting it at my Gucci North Face vest. So let's jump straight into it. Our receipt comes with a bag, so I'm gonna skip frames and show you guys the retail price. Your receipt come in this nice envelope right here. It's almost like a business card. Retail price. There's a tag right there. That's what the tag looks like. Who knows what these videos will be used for, so maybe if somebody's trying to like legit check theirs out there, this is what the real tag looks like. A whole bunch of different languages. Then we got the inside tag right there. Show you the back side of it. That's what the back side looks like, nothing fancy. Here's the front side of the vest. Here's the back side of it. I like this piece because some of the other pieces kind of had North Face like in black across. And I just feel like this is like the best of both worlds, man. You still get that North Face branding, but you still get that crazy Gucci branding, OG pattern on there. Literally, like, what more can you ask for with the collab? I'm super blessed to have this in my hands right now. It's definitely in the right closet. Let me know what you guys think. I'll come up close and show. No flaws in this stitching at all. Zero flaws. It's like an off-white color, you guys. It's like cream. So if it's not appearing like frosty white on camera, don't worry. It's not supposed to be frosty white. Let me know what you guys think. Man, I can get lost in the print. So they got the North Face on there with the Gucci print. Crazy to see that. Man, this vest is on a whole nother level. I'm not even gonna lie to you. On a whole nother level. We got the print right there, North Face Gucci. Let me know what y'all think. Drop a comment down below. Super clean. Man, that's so clean. Let me know what y'all think. Cannot believe I was able to get my hands on this. Thank you, Shannon. First one on YouTube. Get that string off of there. Can't have no strings hanging on this, you feel me? No strings hanging. Man. Real collector's item right here. This is a real collector's piece. All right, YouTube, so that's gonna be it for this video. As much as I never want today to end, that's gonna be all for the review. If you guys like this video, then make sure to thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment down below. But make sure to thumbs up so other people can see this video too. I enjoy being able to bring y'all with me to go pick up this piece. This is something that I plan to keep with me for a long, long time. This is a crazy collector's item. I still haven't been able to wrap my head around the fact that being able to get my hands on the piece, let alone it's in my closet now. So that's something I'm going to just sit back and let sink in, you guys. For once, we got to win. Anybody watching this video, I want y'all to know, keep on doing what you want to do. Make sure to get out your comfort zone. This video would not have been possible if I did not get out my comfort zone from day one. I'm going to just put it like this, right? When I first stepped into the Gucci store, everyone knows, you know, looking at me, I might not look like the richest person going in there. I might not even be the richest person going in there. But my first time in that Gucci store, that didn't stop me from going in, looking around and making a connection. And look where it got me, you guys. So I appreciate y'all rocking out with these vlogs. Until next time, I'm gone.
I secure that bag, on my way to the cash. I need the racks, smoking on the gas, on the gas.